this is Southern Tennessee Mom. Today we're going to make mini apple pies. Alright, I have a can of 8 cinnamon rolls. Now you can make your own cinnamon rolls and do this if you want. I'm just showing you a quick recipe. That way if you have to do something quick, but it'll work either way. I've already sprayed my muffin pan with cooking spray. We have a little bit of the icing that they had in the bag. We'll save that. But I'm going to make our own icing as well. It's easy to do. It's not hard. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to take and I'm going to just smash these, smash them down to where it's making a well in the cinnamon roll, okay? That's where your apple pie filling is going to go. There again, you can make your own apple pie filling for this. I'm just using a can of apple pie filling, but it's whatever you have on hand. And don't think that it's not homemade because you didn't make everything from scratch. It's okay. It's okay. Just get over it. It's fine. Guarantee you they will taste just as good. If you haven't been to my channel, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you part of my family. I love all my subscribers. I really appreciate everything. I love all the comments. So please comment to me and let me know how you like this. And if you would try it. I would love to hear from you. I'd love to chat with you. So let me know how you like it. Alright, so now we've got them all welled out, as you see, little bowls. See that? Little bowls. So I have my apple pie filling. Now you don't have to add anything to this if you don't want to. I am going to doctor it up a little bit. So I'm going to put me some apples in here. Okay, I have 2 tablespoons of cinnamon sugar here, and I am just going to douse the top of these with cinnamon sugar. Now I'm going to pop these in the oven, and when they come out, we'll have apple pies. I had the oven set at 370. I have 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to slowly pour it inside the powdered sugar. We're going to make a glaze for the apple pies. Alright, so we're going to set that to the side. That is ready. And wait on the apple pies to get done. The cinnamon apple pies here are done. Okay, I got them out of the pan here. And we're going to take some of this icing, and we're just going to drizzle over top of it.